The electric pressure cooker isn't turning on. No lights, no response at all. Let's take it apart and see what's going on. First, I'm going to check if the power is even reaching the unit. Looking inside, we have the white wire here. This is the heating element. And over here is the control circuit. This one is the neutral line. Now, let's check the main power line, this red wire. It looks like the circuit is broken right here. There's an overheat fuse in the middle, and it seems like it has failed. Let's open it up and confirm. As expected, it's completely dead, no continuity. I'll do a quick bypass just to test it out. And there we go. The lights are back on. It looks like a simple fix. Now, I just have to wait for the replacement parts to arrive.